Perfect stay in Mount Abu, everything was perfect. Safe place for women solo travelers. I am a solo traveler. I stayed in Hotel Ashoka for one night in June 2022. I must say this place is so safe for women solo travelers. It's near to Naki Lake and other tourist places and the market. Location is its plus point. Also the staff here is so helpful, service is great and prompt. The room was clean and washroom was hygienic. I enjoyed my stay here. Suggest this place to other travelers. Would love to stay here again. Excellent room stay experienced. It was an amazing hotel. The staff is responsive. Very good, nice hotel, location and good hospitality from the staff. Nice, best hotel. Very good hotel and most important, staff are so good and polite. Very safe atmosphere too. If you need anything, Mr. Magan is there for you. He will arrange whatever your requirements are. Very good customers approach. The perfect hotel and hospitality is good as well as cooperative staff. A really good and worthy for spending money. The staff is cooperative and main thing is its location. As it's located in middle of city, you can go easily Naki Lake and main market by walking. As cooperation of staff was also awesome. Heart. Nice stay, very good location, well-mannered staff, good food but not too good facilities provide inside the room. Good location and price but could be better on cleanliness and facilities. Although 24 hours hot water but on 2 hours in the morning on tap, rest need to be requested in buckets. Also could with heat and cold months as temperatures drop at night to below 10 C. Good hotel is for location and service and staff. Way concern about car parking due to rush on Abu.